is going on? This is AlTone, and this is a awesome little label maker from MakeID. This is the Q1, and I absolutely love it. And he sent this out to me to try out, and I'm telling you, this is actually going to be a permanent fixture on my desk from now on, because I am going to be able to do a lot of things with it very easily that I normally would not be able to do. So you have 3 buttons on the front. You have a power button, a date button, and a custom button. Now, the date and custom button will only work if you're using a continuous roll of tape. So you'll want to make sure you're using continuous, or you have a continuous roll in there, so that you can automatically print out your date, which I've done a couple of versions. And if you go in the app, that allow you to change the settings on your date function to be able to display the date the way that you want to. And the custom button can be made to print out stuff like I'm setting my custom button to print my AMA and FAA registration numbers so that I can put them in my RC planes very easily. So I can just turn it on, hit that custom button, and print this out. Or turn it on, hit the date button, and be able to print out a date label, because I've received products and things all the time and I want to know the date that they were actually received on. And even create your own personal custom little address labels. You can put a logo on it, which I've done a few different times. They actually have a bunch of different icons that you can use. So I have this one that I printed that says hand soap. It is just a really nice device. So let's take a look at it real quick. So what you have here, which looks like a space bar, is just your indicator light to let you know that it's working. And if you run out of tape or the tape is not installed properly, that will let you know that. The power button, of course, when you turn it on and off, and then that light will light up, letting you know that it's on. This little lever here cuts your tape. If you open up the top here, this is where your tape is installed. And again, you can use the discontinuous tape. Now, they sent me this one of green, in a green color. You just tell the machine in the app what size tape that you have. The 2 sizes of discontinuous tape that you can purchase for this guy are 12 by 35 millimeter and 12 by 50 millimeter. And installing and removing the tape on this guy is extremely easy. There's not a lot to it. On the back here is your USB-C connection for you to charge it with as well. This is absolutely a fantastic device, and like I said, I'm going to be using this one on my desk. I mean, it's just a fantastic device, and I'm really enjoying it. So thanks for stopping by and checking this out with me. I hope that this will be as beneficial for you as it's going to be for me. Take care, and I look forward to seeing you again in a future video.